Good morning, friends. How are you all doing? I hope you're well. Today, I received a question from a viewer asking, "Brother, how can we delete one or two photos from an Instagram post?" So, in this video, I'll explain the exact steps you need to follow. Let me show you with an example. Deleting photos from an Instagram post. Step 1, go to your profile. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Navigate to the post from which you want to delete a photo. Step 2, open the post. Open the post, and at the top right corner, tap the three dots. From the drop-down menu, select the Edit option. Step 3, delete the photo. After entering edit mode, scroll through the pictures in the post. On the photo you want to delete, you'll see a delete icon on the top left corner. Tap the delete icon, and a confirmation box will appear. Confirm your choice by selecting delete again. Once deleted, save your changes by tapping the tick button. That's it. The photo will now be removed from your post. Important note about deleting photos. If your post contains more than 2 photos, you can delete individual pictures from the post. However, if the post contains exactly 2 photos, the delete option won't appear. Instagram does not allow you to delete one photo from a post with only 2 pictures. For posts with just one photo, you can delete the entire post as usual. This is an important rule to remember when managing your Instagram posts. For any questions or help, if you face any issues while following these steps, feel free to leave a comment or send me a message. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like it and share it with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a great day.